Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up Job Nimbus Action Automation for workflows. So the first things, let's quickly head over to App Marketplace and search for the app. Let's click inside. Let's click on Install. Let's quickly select the account we would like to install this into. After that, let's click on Continue. Let's click on Allow and Install. You are going to be redirected to an external page that's going to help us to be able to copy the custom menu link that we'll have to paste in within our account. So let's quickly go ahead. Let's click on that. That has been copied. Let's head back over to account. Let's go down to settings. Let's look for custom menu links right over here. Let's click on create new. Let's quickly select an icon. For the link icon, let's quickly put in a link title. Okay, and right down here now, we're going to paste in the custom menu link we copied in the other page. After having done that, let's quickly scroll down. Let's select the sidebar preference. Let's select the specific account. Now let's select the role-based visibility. On my side, I'm just going to choose all. Then we should click on save. Once that is done, let's quickly head over to that specific account. Once inside the account, let's quickly scroll down and we're going to see the Job Nimbus we just created right over here. Let's click on it. Okay. So right here, we can see this is the Job Nimbus Action Automation for workflows we just, installed. And right here, we can see just above here, it says setup required. So let's quickly head over and click on connect. We are going to be presented with a new page. Inside of this page, we have a couple of tabs. We have the documentation tabs where you're going to have every information you need about the Job Nimbus Action Automation for workflows. The tutorials tab where you're going to have a couple of smart cues to be able to walk you through, how to get the specific credentials. The next one is going to be the setup where we'll actually have to, connect this app together with our account on Job Nimbus. So what we have to do right now is just to go ahead and click on Start Setup. Yeah, we need an API key. Let's head over to our dashboard on Job Nimbus and have that copied. So once inside Job Nimbus dashboard, let's quickly head over here, click on Settings, scroll by the sidebar, click on Integrations, click on API key, and then click on New API key. Then we'll have to select, let's say, a description, and then let's select the profile as admin. And then let's click on Save. Once this is done, just below here under key, this is our API key we just created. Let's copy that. Once inside our account, let's just paste it right inside of here and then click on Complete Setup. Once that is done, the connection status here is going to show us connected, which means we have successfully installed and connected the app. So aside from that, we have a couple of other tabs. We have the support tab where you can be able to create a support ticket with us or book a call if you ever need any assistance. And by the side, we have the change log. In this change log, you'll be able to track any updates and improvements. And to be able to receive these updates or improvements, you need to actually activate the change log notifications right over here. So let's click on that. Let's enter your email address you would like to receive it from, and let's click on subscribe. Once you click on subscribe, any new updates are going to be directly sent to your email address. So thank you for watching this video. Our support team is available 24/7 if you do have any other further questions.